Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Crypto.com price prediction in Crypto.com news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Crypto.com in 2022. Cronos (CRO) is the native cryptocurrency token of Cronos Chain, a decentralized open-source blockchain developed by the Crypto.com payment, trading and financial services company. Cronos Chain is one of the products in Crypto.com's lineup of solutions designed to accelerate the global adoption of cryptocurrencies as a means of increasing personal control over money, safeguarding user data and protecting users' identities. The CRO blockchain serves primarily as a vehicle that powers the Crypto.com Pay mobile payments app. In the future, Crypto.com plans to expand the reach of the CRO platform to power its other products as well. CRO went live in November-December 2018. Cronos was launched by the Crypto.com company as part of its vision of putting cryptocurrency in every wallet. Crypto.com itself was founded in June 2016 as Monaco Technologies GmbH by Chris Morselek, Rafael Milo, Gary Orr and Bobby Bao. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. Analysis: What is VVS Finance, the largest project on Crypto.com's Cronos chain? Most people know Crypto.com is an exchange and wallet app competing with the likes of Kraken and Coinbase with a series of high-profile advertising campaigns. These include commercials featuring Matt Damon, a Super Bowl halftime spot with LeBron James, and naming rights to the former Staples Center. Most people know Crypto.com is an exchange and wallet app competing with the likes of Kraken and Coinbase, with a series of high-profile advertising campaigns. These include commercials featuring Matt Damon, a Super Bowl halftime spot with LeBron James, and naming rights to the former Staples Center. However, the Singapore-based company has been doing much more since it launched Cronos, an EVM-compatible blockchain. Its DeFi ecosystem has grown steadily to $2.3 billion in TVL since it went live in November. VVS Protocol is the largest project on the Cronos chain, taking up 59% of its total TVL as of February 15. It's already the 7th largest DEX by TVL, currently behind Trader Joe, and just ahead of Osmosis. What is VVS Finance? VVS Finance is a DEX that provides the usual DeFi capabilities: swaps, liquidity pools, and staking. It stands for very simple finance, making its UVP clear. The platform aims to simplify DeFi. It does this through gamification and an easy-to-use interface. It also checks many of the boxes Footprint recommends you look at when assessing the health of a crypto project. Substantial initial market cap. VVS Finance's market cap jumped from $20 million to $170 million in the first couple of months since its launch, and has largely reflected the general market trends since then. Reasonable trading volume. VVS Finance's trading volume has mostly remained between 5% and 20% of its market cap. Price action. The price action of the protocol's token VVS is about as volatile as you would expect from a new DEX project and a new chain, but with no suspicious pumps. So why has the first AM on Cronos and a potential contender to be the next SushiSwap or PancakeSwap attracted so much controversy recently? VVS Finance's tokenomics are questionable. VVS's total circulating supply is 2 trillion, and its total supply is over 36 trillion, which will increase to 100 trillion over 10 years through its emission schedule. For comparison, here are the leading DEX tokens' circulating supply figures, rounded to a million. SushiSwap: 127 million Sushi Uniswap. 632 million UniPancakeSwap. 268 million Cake Balancer. 7 million BAL is the only major DEX token that is so inflationary. Note that Cake has no hard cap, but has deflationary mechanisms to keep the supply under control. VVS Finance's tokenomics model is an outlier. Next news: EU commits to cutting Russian banks off from SWIFT over Ukraine invasion. The European Union has resolved to isolate Russia from the international financial system, including by blocking some banks from the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT, the messaging network underpinning global financial transactions. In blocking Russia from SWIFT, the European Union would block Russian institutions from conducting any interbank transactions with non-Russian entities, effectively cutting it off from the global financial system. The move came days after Russian military forces launched attacks on various cities and military bases in Ukraine, including in the nation's capital Kiev. Italy, Hungary and Cyprus were initially opposed to the move, but expressed support for it on Friday and Saturday. Meanwhile, Germany is in favor of targeted and functional restrictions on Russia. The European Commission formalized this support later Saturday in a public statement attributed to the EC, France, Germany, Italy, UK, Canada and US. We commit to ensuring that selected Russian banks are removed from the SWIFT messaging system. This will ensure that these banks are disconnected from the international financial system and harm their ability to operate globally, the statement said. The EC also committed to blocking the Russian central bank from using its international reserves and preventing Russian oligarchs from buying passports in other nations to re-enter the global financial system. Officials in the EC also plan to launch a transatlantic task force to implement sanctions enacted by the EU, US, the UK, Japan, Canada, South Korea and several other groups by identifying and freezing the assets of sanctioned individuals and companies that exist within our jurisdictions, the statement said. Further sanctions may be announced as part of this effort. We are working flat out on how to limit the collateral damage of decoupling from SWIFT in such a way that it affects the right people, Germany's Foreign Minister Annalena Baerbock and Vice-Chancellor Robert Habeck said in a statement on Saturday, according to Bloomberg. Officials from European nations plan to meet Sunday to begin work on this process. Given that SWIFT is based in Belgium, support across the European bloc was critical to expel any country, such as Russia. Crypto.com coin and our price prediction for the next couple of years is what we have for you in our video. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. As 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. First, let's see what it is before moving on to price predictions. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Crypto.com coin, CRO, a good investment? How much will Crypto.com coin be worth in 2025, or how much will Crypto.com coin be worth in 10 years? Price prediction for 2022. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Crypto.com coin will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2022, CRO is expected to peak at 66 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 56 cents if the market turns bullish. Price prediction for 2023. The value of Crypto.com coin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. CRO is expected to reach a maximum rate of 95 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Crypto.com coin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average CRO price will be between 81 cents and 84 cents expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum CRO price ranges from 81 cents to 95 cents for 2023. Price prediction for 2024. The current price range of Crypto.com coin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore CRO can reach $1.43 by 2024 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.25 for 2024, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Crypto.com price prediction for 2025. For a long-term Crypto.com coin price prediction, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average CRO price will rise to around $1.82 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.08 with a minimum price level $1.77. Price forecasts for 2026. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for CRO will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will get much more attention.